what is up, you guys? I'm Jason Arland and welcome to MyGlamm. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the holy grail of base makeup, the Total Makeover FF Cream Foundation Palette by MyGlamm. So these babies come in 3 different shades, light, medium and dusky. And they are literally 5-in-1 product. What that means is one product that actually has 5 products in the same product. Isn't that crazy? It has primer, concealer, foundation compact, SPF 30 and also skin tone correctors in one palette. And this is why it's called the Total Makeover FF Full Face Cream Palette. So let's go through all these products in this palette and let's start with these 2 babies, the orange and the yellow correctors. And what correctors really do is basically help you even out your skin tone, give more coverage to your foundation, brighten and also get rid of blemishes. These foundations come in 3 different shades, light, medium and dusky. They are long wearing, buildable. They give you medium sheer to full coverage, depends upon how intense you want to go. They don't oxidize and you don't know why. Well, that's a secret. I can't share that with you. But I can tell you what oxidization means. Oxidization is basically when you choose a foundation, you wear it and it looks perfect, but by the end of the night or end of the day or after a couple of minutes and hours, you look like a complete different person. Your foundation ends up changing its color, ends up making you look darker, deeper, or just not you. But the Total Makeover FF Cream Palette does not end up doing this to you. So, you're happy and we're happy. Formula in its foundation has special biological antioxidant pockets. What special biological antioxidant pockets? Well, they keep on recharging your skin with powerful antioxidants and they keep your skin flawless all day long. And of course, the foundation evens out your skin tones, minimizes your pores and blemishes, and makes you look like a bombshell. So clearly, Total Makeover FF Cream Palette does all the job for you, but all that you need to do is go on www.myglamm.com and get your Total Makeover. Last but not the least, this product is cruelty-free and not tested on animals because we believe in making the world a better place. Also, these products don't contain any mineral oils, parabens or preservatives.